Alright, so I'm here on the 4runner, and today I'll be changing my interior lights over to LEDs so we can actually see at nighttime when we use them. So I'll be showing you how to change our map light, the dome light here, the light in the trunk, as well as the light in the glove box here. I'm going to list all the bulbs that I used in the description below. I bought a kit on Amazon that came with all the lights I would need for the interior lights. And so yeah, let's get it started. Alright, so we're going to start with this light here. I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to start by taking this little cover off. Just take the flathead, stick it behind. Let me show you where you just see a small opening here. Push it in, pry it down, and the cover pops off. Just like that. After you have that cover off, take your flathead, stick it in this little bin here, and just pop that off. And then this cover comes off. So we got two bulbs, left side and right side. It might be a little easier if you use a little flathead just to help release it. It's a little tight. Grab one of your LED bulbs, push it in, and remember, always test it because they can only work one way, so we know that one works. So that's LED and that's the regular one. You can see the difference, how much brighter this one is. So to do this one, again, do the same thing. Just use a screwdriver to help it out. Put the other bulb in and test it out. So as you see, they're both in the right way and they both work. Then go ahead and gently put the cover back on. Buttons go through first, and then it just clips in. And again, with this cover, just the same way it came out. Side closer to you slides in first, and then it clips in. And there you have it. Alright, so to change this light over, we're going to take the same flathead screwdriver, place it right where the switch is, the little opening where the switch is, and pry it down. And then that cover comes off. So same thing. Remove your old bulb. Take your LED bulb. Just swap it out. Again, try it, make sure it works. Then put the cover on, got the two legs here, place those in first, and just snap it back. Alright, so to do the one in the trunk, take your flathead, the little notch here, stick it in, and pry it down. Then that cover comes off, and we have a bulb right here. That's where we're going to change over to LEDs. Take your LED, put it in, and try it out. Same thing, put your cover back on. Little leg there, goes in first. Alright, lastly we got the glove box. Open it up. If you look right under here, you'll see a little cover. Pop that open just by pushing the tab there. Let me show you the light. Right there, that's a little cover. There's gonna be a little bulb in there. To make it a little easier, I'm gonna use some needle nose pliers because my fingers are far too fat to pull that out, as you can see. So just use some pliers and gently grab it. Don't want to break it in there. And it pulls right out, just like that. And then swap it out with the correct LED bulb. And as always, once you get the light in there, test it out and make sure it works, and then put it back together. Alright, there you have it. All the interior bulbs changed out the LEDs. Now we can actually see at nighttime with them. Took all of 10 minutes tops in the glove box. The light before here was almost non-existent. Yeah, wasn't hard at all. Remember, like and subscribe. Thanks.